In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on RLC future while examining exact RLC cost conjecture for 2022 and past in a kind of significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to especially think about this and any kind of other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like exact RLC, which in a real sense is very critical. Presently, we should head into it in a significant manner. Before we dig profound into the exact RLC value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that RLC is a fundamentally wise venture or not, for what reason will RLC basically succeed or come up short, or for what reason will exact RLC value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what explicitly is RLC and its to-date history. RLC value expectation for the kind of next 90 days in an especially huge manner. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has certainly drooped half from its record-breaking especially high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments, most certainly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Financial backers in a real sense are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe really play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees a sum truly green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year, or so they basically thought. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to sort of find an especially neighborhood base before we can move the other way and especially alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will sort of begin to really do likewise. We explicitly have seen this situation many sort of times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model truly is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We really expect whales and by and large other, for the most part greater players in the market, to basically wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and central evaluation of each undertaking in an unpretentious manner. Essentials that we fundamentally assess in every practical sense are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab in an unpretentious way. exact RLC value expectation 2022 in a really significant manner. Most of specialists basically concur that this in every practical sense, bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding. We certainly see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately, which sort of is genuinely critical. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 11.64% $1.12. 2022 November, or so they thought, minus 27.18% $0. 9195, 2022 December in a significant manner, minus 25.34% $0. 9427, 2023 January minus 16.57% $1.05. 2023 February minus 16.20% $1.06. 2023 Blemish in an unobtrusive manner, minus 4.23% $1.21. 2023 April plus 0.89% $1.27. 2023 May, which most certainly is very critical, plus 1.11% $1.28. 2023 June, which is genuinely critical, plus 12.70% $1.42. 2023 July, in spite of mainstream thinking, plus 17.66% $1.49. 2023 August in an unpretentious manner, plus 24.23%. $1.57 2023 September plus 24.80%. $1.58 RLC value forecast 2025 in a significant manner. Our forecast model sees RLC coming to $2.63 in 2025. What will RLC essentially be genuinely worth in 5 years, or so they sort of thought? The cost of RLC in 5 years could lie around $2.41 in a very large manner. Exact coin value expectation 2030 to 2040. What exact RLC will be really worth in 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Our estimating model sees exact RLC coming to $6.57 in 2030. What exact RLC will be worth in 2040 in an all things considered, significant way. Our Guaging model sees exact RLC coming to $13.13 in 2040 in a significant manner. Will exact RLC supplant / outperform / especially surpass Bitcoin? No. exact RLC won't supplant or by and large surpass BTC. Might exact RLC at any point reach $10 in an extremely significant manner? Indeed, exact RLC could in a real sense reach $10 toward 2022 in a very large manner's end. Might exact RLC at any point reach $100 incredibly? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for exact RLC to reach $100 in the exceptionally short or midterm period in an unpretentious manner. Might exact RLC at any point certainly reach $1,000, or so they thought? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for exact RLC to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Is exact RLC sort of worth purchasing, which in a real sense is very huge? We by and large are supporters of respectably unsafe money management, especially put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bin of sort of enormous cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain, which is genuinely huge. Thus, in this unique situation, exact RLC essentially is certainly worth purchasing in an unpretentious manner. Is exact RLC an excellent speculation, or so they truly thought? Exact RLC is, very much like all genuinely other cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the excellent use case, very much planned tokenomics, for the most part dynamic local area and a strong group behind it, or so they thought. How especially much will exact RLC be worth? For the in every way that really matters, momentary future, it could explicitly reach 0.